Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to select nth element selector in a Playwright. This is a simple topic. I'm not going to take that much longer. Okay. And here is basically what nth element is selecting. Nth element is nothing but you have some in a web application. This is the one we are going to use very rare case. Okay. We are not going to continuously we are not going to use. Okay. And here is basically there's some set of things like you have input box like input tag name. There are multiple like you have 10 input box like this 1 and 2 3 and 4 you have. Okay, in the fours and also in the checkboxes also there checkbox 1, checkbox 2 and checkbox 3 and checkbox 4 like this you have. And drop downs like not radio buttons, radio button and radio button like this you have. There are 4 or some 6 1 2, like that so many things are there, but you want to identify something or hyperlinks there. Okay, this hyperlinks also you have to identify. Okay, how you can able to every time we are going to create a X path or CSS selector which is related to finding one element which is related to you, right? We can able to identify that one. And by using the index position also we are providing, or we are using for any attribute. In case if there is no attribute, that moment we are going to use for contains and text, and we are going to using and we are providing. But the thing is, in case the context when you are providing that moment there are multiple values are presented, that moment we are going to the positions, right? The similar format we can able to give this nth position also. This will help you to identify all the parent. You have the parent, in the parent you have n number of things, and that how you can able to identify. Example is this Amazon web application. Okay, if you are coming to the down, not only Amazon, you can take any other application also. See here there are so many footer places. Okay, it's not under footer but it is in a last place it is presented. Once you inspect here, see, once you mouse over here, it is finding for only one particular thing, means this particular section. Okay, if I minimize this one, and if I mouse over here again this one and here, but this is the one having for entire thing, means this particular dev class is having all the things. But once you expand this one, you have n number of UL and LL. LLs are presented, right? Nav first and nav last means in this UL there is a first one this one and last one this one. And if you mouse over this one again, you can see it is provided something different. You can see about us and careers it is provided nav A, like this they are providing. But I don't want to do like this, but I want to identify all the names which is using for nth position. By using nth position I want to read first one about the last one. I want to take help of this one, how we can able to use it. By using context and all we can able to use. Other than that, how we can able to use. And this moment we can able to first find the parent tag name. Then we are going to use it. After parent tag, we are going to use that which is the one you want. Like UL is there, under UL. This is the UL. Okay, after UL, LI, then inside the LI what you want to read, you want to read that particular element hyphen double slash, sorry, here A, because under this we are need to find for A, right, anchor tag, because that is called about and all it is presented A, and then we need to provide for nth equal to 1. 0 means about it will come, 1 means next one it will comes, carrier, like that. Okay, now if I want to find that last element, then I can able to use the same thing and we can able to use for -1. This will return for first element, and this will return for a last element. Okay, whether we can able to do it this one or not, we can see now. Okay, any condition we can say, but is a very rare case we are going to take this one. Very rare case, not constantly we are not going to take. Okay, and for this I'm going to take for example of Amazon footer page. Okay, for this we need to run for our, because it is basically Playwright condition we need to execute. Okay, and this is the like path identification very difficulty and normal Chrome dev tools. Due to that I'm going to run for Playwright. Okay, Playwright codegen. In case if you are saying this is the first time, please go through watch my previous videos. You can able to understand what exactly I'm going to do, how I'm going to do this all the things. Okay, now you can see here we came here and I'm going to use it here about. Okay, in the about I'm going to inspecting. I'm going to make it for down. Okay, then this is the one it is highlighted entire page, but I don't want to do for entire page. Okay, and again I'm going to inspect it. Sorry, I'm just inspecting this one. Oh shit, it went for, it is clicked. Okay, now this is the about. Okay, here is about is there and here is the dev one. Okay, and we can able to see this is the normal this particular section parent, and this one is complete. Okay, I'm going to take for this particular one any one class name. I'm going to take it. Okay, any one class name I will take it. Okay, then we will find it for here. I'm going to use for Playwright dot a single dollar, and then I'm going to use for double quotation. I'm closing here and I'm passing for dot my class name. If I found it, this is it is provided for complete path. Okay, after that what we need to find it, and we need to find for ul, li and a. Okay, and I'm going to use it a space. I'm going to use for ul, under ul, li and a. If I now you can see about us it is coming, right? And I don't want to do like this. I want to find all the things, list of things, then we can able to use it double dollar. If we use double dollar, what will happen? You can see it is presented for 21 names are presented, 21 names. Okay, if you want for single, which is related to only for that particular li, and you want to find it, then ul can remove. Okay, after ul you can able to come to here and two greater than symbols and nth position and equal to 0. Now you can see about is coming now. Okay, you want to see that -1. See, help it is displaying. Okay, this way we can able to see how help it is highlighting. Okay, this format we can able to, whether we are able to like in a code wise, whether we are able to click for this about, or whether we are able to get the text from the this particular element or not, we'll see now. Okay, how we can able to do it, and here I already created for some step. Okay, and before that I can copy. Yeah, okay, time dot sleep, I'm going to give that 2 seconds of time, and then page dot locator. Okay, in the locator what we need to do, and we need to copy this particular one because we need to read we need to find the element, this one. Okay, dot text, and this text will return some text information, and I'm going to print it for first underscore tag name. Okay, and I'm going to print it here first. Okay, and you can able to see in the console also, you can nth. In a console we can able to see that particular output. See, about us it is coming. Okay, if you want to click that particular element, if you want to read the last element also, what you can -1. Even we can able to do it for nth element, means you can able to provide that position which one you want, like 1 2 3 4 5 up to how many it is there, that many things you can able to access. The last one also it will come. Okay, now about and help both are came, and you want to click for any one of them, then you can able to use it here. They can able to take this particular path and you can provide and dot click. Now you can see, after clicking I'll wait it for some time dot sleep 5 seconds. See, about help is clicked. Okay, it is clicked for help. Test cases pass. This is a very simple format we can able to find it by using nth element in a Playwright. Okay, this all about for a sample simple example about for nth element. I hope you understand this one. Please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.